Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Forever 21 on your smartphone. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on the browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. After you are on the website, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login interface. And here, you need to enter your email address and your password that you use to sign up for your Forever 21 account. Once you enter your credentials, here you can see the login button. Tap on it. And now you are logged into your account. You can now browse through your account, check your orders, and explore shopping different products. That's it, you've successfully logged into your Forever 21 account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.